The internet has revolutionized our world. It connects us, informs us, and empowers us in countless ways. But this digital revolution has a dark side: cybersecurity threats. As we embrace new technologies, we must also be vigilant about protecting ourselves from those who would exploit these advancements for malicious purposes. Finding the right balance between technological progress and robust security measures is crucial. This balancing act requires a multifaceted approach involving individuals, businesses, and governments working together to create a safer and more secure digital future. By fostering collaboration and innovation, we can ensure that our digital age remains a beacon of progress and protection for all.
The Internet of Things, or IoT, is rapidly weaving its way into our lives. From smart homes to connected cars, these devices offer convenience but also expand the attack surface for cybercriminals. Each connected device represents a potential entry point into our networks. The more devices we connect, the more opportunities we create for cybercriminals to exploit vulnerabilities. A compromised smart refrigerator might seem minor, but it could provide hackers with a backdoor into your home network, exposing sensitive personal information. Many IoT devices lack basic security features, making them easy targets. Manufacturers often prioritize functionality over security, leaving devices vulnerable. Securing the IoT ecosystem requires collaboration between manufacturers, software developers, and consumers. Stronger security standards and regular updates are crucial. By working together, we can create a safer IoT ecosystem where the benefits of connectivity are not overshadowed by the risks. As we integrate more IoT devices into our daily lives, awareness and proactive measures become essential. Educating consumers about the importance of securing their devices is a key step. Simple actions like changing default passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping software up to date can significantly reduce risks. The future of IoT holds immense potential, but it also demands vigilance. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, we can enjoy the benefits of a connected world while minimizing the threats. Together, we can build a resilient IoT ecosystem that enhances our lives without compromising our security.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing cybersecurity. This dual-edged sword can be a game-changer in protecting our digital assets and personal information. The integration of AI into cybersecurity is not just a trend, but a necessity in our digital world. AI enhances our defenses, detecting and responding to threats with speed and accuracy. Traditional methods often fall short against modern cyber threats. AI processes and analyzes vast amounts of data in real time, offering a significant advantage. AI-powered systems identify patterns and anomalies indicating malicious activity. They sift through logs, network traffic, and user behavior to pinpoint suspicious activities, allowing quicker threat mitigation. Automating threat detection and response frees human analysts to focus on complex threats. This collaboration between human and artificial intelligence creates a robust defense mechanism. However, AI can also be used against us. Cybercriminals leverage AI to enhance their malicious activities, creating sophisticated attacks and evading detection. AI-powered malware adapts to security measures, making it harder to detect and neutralize. This adaptability requires cybersecurity teams to stay vigilant and continuously update defenses. As AI evolves, we must stay ahead of those using it for nefarious purposes. Ongoing research, investment in advanced security technologies, and continuous learning are essential to prepare for the challenges and opportunities AI presents in cybersecurity.
Cybercrime is a constantly evolving threat, with new forms of attack emerging all the time. The digital landscape is a battleground where cybercriminals continuously adapt and refine their tactics to exploit vulnerabilities. Some of the most common types of cybercrime include hacking, phishing, malware, DOS attacks, and social engineering. Hacking involves unauthorized access to computer systems, often to steal data or disrupt operations. Phishing tricks individuals into revealing sensitive information by posing as a trustworthy entity. Malware includes viruses, ransomware, and spyware designed to damage or control systems. DOS attacks overwhelm websites with traffic, making them unavailable to users. Social engineering manipulates people into divulging confidential information through deception. These are just a few examples of cybercrime. Staying informed and vigilant is essential. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and awareness is the first step in defense.